Do you suffer from nail fungus? Get rid of this problem using only 2 ingredients. Your nails will recover and be healthy in 5 days. This tip is very valuable, so don't miss this video. Save it. We start by peeling an onion. 1 clove of garlic. Then grate the garlic, clove and onion into a bowl. Next, strain the onion and garlic juice with a strainer. Now we have the juice of both. Add a tablespoon of vinegar. Add a tablespoon of baking soda. Mix the ingredients well and there you have it. We made a powerful medicine. How to apply the recipe. Put this mixture on your nails. Apply to the nails affected by the fungus. Put it on your nails at night before going to sleep. Wrap your nails with adhesive tape. Leave it on your nails overnight. Continue using it for 5 days and the fungus will disappear forever. Write thank you in the comments to support me and subscribe to the channel to learn more about natural medicine.